Today we are making crispy chicken potato with salad. You take the water, you put water in the pot. When the water boiled, you can see you put bay leaves. You take one onion, you cut it in two, you put in that water. You clean nicely your chicken. And then now you put black pepper. You can see the black pepper in that water that was boiling, not too much water because chicken is soft. Black pepper. You take now the chicken that you have cleaned, you put it inside that water that was boiling. I used 8 portion, but you can use 6, 4 depending on the quantity of people. And now we're gonna add ginger inside. I use the powder one. You can use the fresh one, anything you want. After putting the ginger, you put the white pepper, and this one is a stock, chicken stock. We're adding inside. Don't forget garlic and the black pepper, bay leaves, white pepper, the stock. When it's boiled, you can see that the chicken is soft. You take your chicken out of the pot. As you can see, you remove everything you put out. You put it in the cutting board. As you can see, our chicken is ready. It's very soft. That's stock. You can see that water. You can use it as a stock already to cook other things or rice, whatever you want to cook. I will start now removing all the meat. I will just leave the bones. You can see what I'm doing here. You remove everything with a knife. You remove all the chicken, just leave the bones. I use a knife. You start removing all the chicken. You just leave the bones because you're gonna use it later. You remove. You remove, and then you start chopping it. You cut small. As you can see, I'm using the knife. You can use the knife. Small must become very small. Yes, we put aside. Now our potato, boiled potato, we start mashing the potato. You mash your potato. You can see. You mash the potato. You mash the potato. When the potato is ready, we bite some eggs. I use 5 eggs. And this is the chicken. I take the chicken, I mix with the potato, the mashed potato. I put the chicken inside. In this stage, you can also add some stock. If you want it to be salty, you can add small of salt. You can add some celery. You put your celery, you put some stock again for the taste. And this one, you can add again the garlic. You add garlic inside the chicken. You add the black pepper. You put the black pepper. You start mixing together. You mix mashed potato, chicken, celery, garlic, black potato. You add the stock if you have. We put 1 egg inside. You turn, you mix together. You mix. mix. You mix, and then you take your breadcrumbs. You can see we have breadcrumbs here. You put the plate because we're gonna use it to mix our potato and chicken. I'm using the olive oil. You can use any oil. You put just a small quantity in the hand. After washing your hand, you put in you take now the bones. You remember the bones that we remove from the chicken, they are there. You take our potato and chicken, you put in the left hand. You take the bones, you put inside. You make it like a chicken again, like eggs, like a leg, as you can see. You mix together. Yeah, nice shape, very nice shape. And I dip it in the eggs. You dip in the eggs. You dip in the eggs. You take your breadcrumbs, and then you take the chicken after the eggs. You take the breadcrumbs, you put on top, as you can see. Put a lot, yeah. It's ready, this one. You take another one. You take another bone. You put inside. You're making like a chicken leg. Make it a nice shape like a chicken. You dip it again in the egg. Yeah, when you put in the eggs, and then you put in the breadcrumbs. In the meantime, you put oil. When the oil is hot, then you start putting the chicken inside the oil. We're frying our chicken potato. You can see you put everything in the frying pan in the oil. You start frying. It's so nice. You can make it for the children, even for breakfast in the morning, even lunch. You fry it, you turn. One side is well done, you can see, and then you turn the other side. Yeah, you turn your chicken. It's so nice. Start removing. When it's ready, you remove it from the oil. We're putting the remaining one, the last one. When it's ready, we have our salad. This is an Italian salad. We have lettuce, onion, cucumber. We dress it. It's not the Greek one, but I'm using the Greek one, the dressing salad for the Greek one. You mix. You we mix the salad. You can see the tomato inside. Yes. You mix it, you put aside. Our food is ready. We start to dish. Take a plate. As you can see, you enjoy your food. It's very nice, so lovely, and it's complete. If you want to add bread on top because you want, but everything's complete because we have potato and everything. Like the page, the video, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Enjoy your food.